Yeah, yeah. A star is born, sympathetic particular matter starts to form in the furnaces of multi-universes, universally, univegetati, impartial particularly. I know Bino, binarelli, hippo, harpi, harmoniously. Two fixed pole, positional identically. Hippa hoppa happening, stars born, twins separated by vast distances disproportionately. Nanotech nines, assistant crimes, misminds while distant times. Red shifting lines, contracting my rhymes, keeping me on my grind, universally redefined. If we could look, see behind and solve the secrets of time. Never look, clues we can't find. Marines never leave men behind. We be kind and rewind, preventing experimentally decline. Up until 79, we could never find positioning particular particles in mind. Picture an ice skating rink. Open your eyes up and think of two ice skating twins perfectly synced, trained to win. First to perform a quadruple lutz. When they both land, crowd go nuts. Pretend it's universal law. One falls on her butt, the other must also miss the quadruple lutz. The twins are metaphorically particles, sympathetically linked one to the other. Their timing is synced, not diametrically opposing sides of the rink. Versus they never move in opposite directions, like what you'd see if she were a reflection. If they were actually particles that skate with perfection. To find the answers to the ultimate question, the twins would be studied under a controlled dissection. A collider like CERN built so big we can learn by seeing Mike and macro particle your inspection. That's how we see particles move their spins in the same direction. Wasn't too long we found God's particle connection. We call the Higgs boson, spins the opposing direction. Was what we see, could it really be the answer to a question so big it'd be like finding a cure for cancer? Perhaps unlimited power created by fission. But what if the Higgs boson's in a stationary position? If it's not really spinning backwards in time, but appears that way when universal spins are combined. If this were true, we add the different spin speeds all together. That total added up might be the answer most clever. If the speed of God's particle spin matched total in spins and influence in the Earth's position. If the numbers are identical down to the decimal, then God's particle isn't moving at all. The illusion created of the spin in reverse is the Earth motion moving past its permanent place in the universe. This and all things may be true. It won't be possible until we discover something new, changing what we know but never knew. Discovery will always happen, so therefore nothing is ever true. At least in Western science and philosophical perspectives, whereas Buddhism offers similar answers and 13 laws or pillars, but is unchanged for 2,000 years. Me, I don't mind